Hi, welcome children. Right, today I am going to explain about the part 3 of the unit 1 of the grade 7. Right, in our previous video, we have learned about the diversity and function of the roots. Diversity and function of the roots, right? Okay, now today we are going to learn about the diversity and function of the stem. Diversity and function of the stem, right? Okay, now when we consider about the stem, stems mainly can be divided into the two groups. Stems of the plants can be divided into the two groups. One of them is aerial stem, the another one is underground stems, right? Stem mainly there are two types. One of them is aerial stem, the another one is underground stem. So right, what is the aerial stem? The aerial stem means stem that grow above the soil. The stem that grow above the soil are known as aerial stem. So what is the underground stem? Underground stem means stem that grow under the soil. Stem that grow under the soil are known as underground stem, right? And also now when we consider about the aerial stem again can be divided into the two groups. Aerial stem again can be divided into the two groups. One of them is branch stem, another one is unbranched stem. Unbranched stem, right? Before learn about the diversity among the stem, firstly we have learned about stem, no? Under this topic, stem we have divided into the two groups. One of them is aerial stem, another one is underground stem. After that, aerial stem also we have been divided into two groups. What are they? Branch stem and unbranched stem. Unbranched stem, right? Then we will go to learn about what is the aerial stem. Aerial stem. Aerial stem mean stem that grow above the soil. Stem that grow above the soil is known as aerial stem, right? Aerial stem are two types. Aerial stem are two types. Right now we know what are the two types of the aerial stem, no? Right, first one is branch stem, the second one is unbranched stem. Right, now we have learned about what is the aerial stem. Aerial stem means stem that grow above the soil is known as aerial stem. And then we have learned about aerial stem are two types, no? One of them is branch stem, another one is unbranched stem, right? Then we will go to learn about what is the branch stem. What is the branch stem, right? Under this topic you will be able to learn about what are the examples for the plants that bear the branch stems. Mango. Mango is the plant which has the branch stem. Rambutan also have the branch stem. Cashew, guava, sunflower are the some of the examples which bear the branch stem, right? Okay, this picture represent the plants with the branch stem. No, this is the stem. This stem have divided into the different branches. So these plants belongs to the aerial. These plants has the aerial stems and also branch stem, right? Then we will go to learn about the unbranched stem. Unbranched stem, right? What are the plants which bear the unbranched stem? Coconut, erica nut, kitul, falmyra, paddy, bamboo are some plants which bear the unbranched stem. This picture represent the stems of the coconut plant, no? Right, is not divided into the branches. Is not divided into the branches. This is the unbranched stems of the coconut plants. Other plants also have the stem which not divided into the branches. Right now we have learned about branch stems and unbranched stem, right? Then we will go to learn about the underground stem. Underground stem, right? What is the underground stem? Underground stem mean stem that grow inside the soil. Stem that grow inside the soil is known as underground stem. Stem that grow inside the soil is known as underground stem. Right? What are the plants which bear the underground stems? Ginger, potato, colocasia, leeks, onion are the some plants which bear the underground stems. Stems of these plants grow inside the soil. Stem of these plants grow inside the soil. Right? Okay, these are some examples for the underground stem. This is the underground stems of the potato plants. Here this is the underground stems of the onion, underground stems of the ginger. Right? Okay, those are the different types of the underground stems. Underground stems also there are different types. You will be able to learn about different types of underground stems in the grade 10 science. Grade 10 science. Right? Okay, then we will go to learn about function of plant stem. Function of plant stem. Right? Okay, one of the function of the plant stem is bears flower, leaves, buds, fruits and seeds. If not all the vegetative parts of the plants bared by the stem. Bared by the stem. Second one, support the plants by keeping rigid. The stem is the rigid part of the plants. No, these rigid parts of the plants can bear, support the plants to bear the flowers, leaves, buds, fruits and seeds. Right? Okay, next one, transport water and food through the plants. Now when we consider about the stem have transporting system, especially stem contains xylem and phloem tissue. Right? Water and minerals transport through the xylem tissue. The food produced by the photosynthesis is transported to the phloem tissue. These, if not both xylem and phloem tissues are consist in the stem. So those stems help to transport water and food throughout the plant body. Next one, many plants produce new plants by stem. Right? As example, rose. The reproduction of the rose taken place by the stem. No, so this stem helps to produce new plant. This is the types of vegetative reproduction. Types of vegetative reproduction. Right? Next one, carry out photosynthesis. You have seen some stems of the plants have the green color. It means it contains chlorophyll. Therefore, such stems carry out photosynthesis. Such stem carry out photosynthesis. Next one is store food. As example, sugar cane, kitul, like that plants store food in their stem. No, right? Okay, those are the function of plant stem. Under the function of plant stem, we have learned about different function of the plant stem. No, the first one we have learned is bears flowers, leaves, buds, fruits and seeds. The second function we have learned is support the plant by keeping rigid. The third function we have learned is transport water and food through plant. Right? And then we have learned about many plant produce new plants by stem and then carry out photosynthesis, store food. Those are the function of the plant stem. Right? Okay, today we have learned about diversity and function of the plant stem. Right? Okay, and then in my next video I will explain diversity among leaves. Right? Okay.